Little Debbie snacks. Yeah, yeah. Little Debbie snacks. Yeah. Little Ray. Don't you know Little Debbie? Here we go. Listen up. Knock the door. Little Debbie. Go to the store, Little Debbie. Please go to the store. Now, Little Debbie, in the bag. Little Debbie, I want Little Debbie. You fucking talking Little Debbie. I want talking Little Debbie. I want a bag full. Little Debbie, talking Little Debbie. I want a bag full. Little Debbie from the store. Put 'em in a bag. Talking Little Debbie. Talking Little Debbie. Why don't you put the buckets in the bag? Put real cream pie. Put it in the bag. Double decker for round. It's extra too much chocolate. Double decker, lot of chocolate. Put it in the bag. Put it in the bag. Double decker, oatmeal cream pie. Star crunch. Talking about Swiss rolls, bitch. Oh yeah. Looking at Little Debbie in the bag. Looking at it in the bag. Little Debbie, she came home in a bag. Little Debbie, she came home in a bag. Little Debbie, it's all kinds of you bitches. Talking Little Debbie, it's all kinds of these motherfuckers. All kinds. Thanks for getting Little Debbie from the store. Yeah. Appreciate Little Debbie. I fucking ate Little Debbie. I appreciate Little Debbie. And then I ate Little Debbie in my belly. Talking Swiss rolls, double decker fudge round, oatmeal cream pie. Talking Little Debbie. Talking Little Debbie. I'm talking Little Debbie. Got 'em at the store. Number one, they used to be 25 cents. Now they're like $1. $1.